Dividing fractions. When dividing fractions, find the reciprocal of the second fraction and multiply it by the first fraction. What do I mean by the reciprocal of a fraction? So if I have a fraction, and the fraction is like that question in the multiplying, 2 over 5. What is the reciprocal of 2 over 5? 5 over 2, very good. So the reciprocal is 5 over 2. You just flip it. The numerator becomes the denominator becomes the numerator. That's the reciprocal. Okay? But now, what if I gave you something like a whole number like 3? What is the reciprocal of 3? What is the reciprocal?
1 over 3.
1 over 3. Good. Very good. Okay. So that is the reciprocal. Remember, the whole number, how do we write it as a fraction?
3 over 1.
Right? 3 over 1. And the reciprocal would be just 1 over 3. Right? So now, when we're dividing fractions, we keep the first fraction and we multiply it by the reciprocal of the second fraction. So if the fraction is 3 over 5, what is the reciprocal?
5 over 3.
5 over 3. So, same rules apply for multiplying. 1 times 5 is?
5.
2 times 3 is?
6.
Can I simplify that? No. Okay. Next one. 2 over 3, right? When we're dividing fractions, we multiply by the reciprocal of the second fraction. What's the second fraction become? 5 over 4, right? That's the reciprocal. So we're going to multiply numerators and we get 10 over 12. Is that our answer?
No.
What can we divide evenly?
2.
2, right? We divide top by 2, bottom by 2, and we get?
5 over 6.
5 over 6.
Yeah.
Okay. 5 over 6. And the last one here. 1 over 5 divided by 6. But 6 isn't a fraction. Right? Or is it? So the reciprocal of 6 is 1 over 6. So, when we multiply them, we get 1 over 30. And obviously, we cannot simplify that any further. Okay. Pretty simple, right? The toughest one would be what? Oh, no, of all the ones that we've done. The toughest part would probably be the adding and subtracting.
Yeah.
Right? Why would that be harder?
Because there is more steps to it.
Exactly. There might be a few extra steps. Right? Multiplying is pretty simple, so is dividing. The dividing does add a step, but it's a simple step. All you got to do is flip a number. Right? But the adding, subtracting, you got to find common denominators. Of course, word problems become tough ones as well. Right? Like the ones we did. But for the most part, multiplying, dividing should be the easiest of all the fractions. Okay?